Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, may I know your name?
My name is Rosaki.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Rosaki. I'm 39 years old. My height is 5 feet.
Hmm?
My
Yeah.
my educational teammate is Junior Radio Communication Operator. I have 3 brothers and 5 sisters.
Mhm.
My father is a farmer. My mother is housekeeping.
Okay, any experience abroad as a housemaid?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first, in what country?
Singapore.
Okay, how long?
2 years.
How many members in the house?
5.
Okay, who are they? Who are they? Who are they? 5 in the
One
house, right?
couple, yes, sir. 1 couple and 2 elderly and 1 children.
Okay, the 2 elderly, how old?
Maybe more than 70 years old.
Okay,
Sir.
can walk,
Yes, sir.
healthy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 kid, right?
Yeah.
How old?
3 years old.
Okay, after Singapore, where you go?
I decided to go in Hong Kong, sir.
Okay, in Hong Kong, how long?
3 years and 3 months, sir.
Okay, how many members in the house?
1 couple and 1 son, sir.
The couple, how old?
Maybe 70 something also, sir.
Okay, they also healthy, right? Can
Yeah,
walk.
yeah.
Okay, how good is your Cantonese?
Me?
You can
Yeah,
speak
just a little
Cantonese?
bit only, sir. For example, Chusan, Mkoy.
My song, okay.
That's it, sir.
Okay, how good is your cooking? You can cook very well?
I can cook, but just a simple cook, sir.
It's a simple.
Yeah.
Okay, when you did something wrong or some mistake in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
I be quiet and be patient, sir.
How about the holiday, your day off in Hong Kong?
My employer gave me a Sunday day off, sir.
Every Sunday,
Yes, sir.
where you go?
And Central, sir.
For what?
For sometimes go to church, sometimes meet my cousin.
Okay, in Hong Kong, why not finish 4 years contract?
Yes, sir.
Only 3 years and 3 months, right?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because I decided to go back to the Philippines to get married, sir.
How many kids now you have?
I have 2 kids, 1 son and 1 daughter, sir.
But you write down you're a single parent.
Yes, sir.
Where is the father? Where is the children's father?
Here in the Philippines, sir.
Okay. In case you were in Hong Kong, who take care of your 2 children?
My mother,
Your mother, right?
yeah.
Okay. You know how to cook and marketing.
Yes, sir, I know.
Okay. If the employer gives you money to buy some food, how can you manage the money?
I take down the list first before we go to the market, sir.
Okay. Now you want to apply to Hong Kong again, right?
Yes.
Okay. If the new employer no Sunday holiday, it's okay for you?
It's okay.
Absolutely no Sunday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
I show my best, sir.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I am a good person, and I promise to do all my duties, especially the house course call.
That's all.
That's all, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.